GH Libya TV. Yeda wase ema mumu ni hwe se brene do nyina no mokoso na mohwe ndwumadi se dia etie. Ye kan se awrade enhyira mu nyina na onye mokese awrade entre mo ahye mu modem mo support ahodo a mo de support nyina no. Ye kan se awrade enhyira mu nyina. Ene ununua a champion David do na ni sa Pastor David ena adi ahia ewo GH Libya TV so a na ene dwumadi a ya to ni din se life motivation message and as lessons in life no sa dwumadi no ena ene den so awrade ede adom ye na uni amede ebrewo na me kai se unyan subscribe ya na wa subscribe no uko YouTube ho na wa hwehwe GH Libya TV se wonsa eka GH Libya TV na fe wa subscribe no umia subscribe button no so a afi ubehu se adoma bi aba abisi ho adoma na ebeba no menya no kwa afi click adoma no so o click adoma no so wi a ubehu se adoma na ba ye miensa na wafa soro pa de no de edi kan all no eno ye ndwumade bia ye de bekwakoto YouTube ho no bebi biara ye de be hye no wonsa ebe kan bi ewo eho afi wetumi ehye ewo Facebook no so David Achampon sa nso na Twitter no so David149974258 ubenya ye ewo sa nso na Instagram no so David Achampon 1 bi enka ho sa social media platform nyina so no ndwumadie eko eho ubetumi ene edinsa wo so ewo WhatsApp number anase normal call ubetumi afre o Libya 091 9084 se woni Libya o de Libya code na ebeka ho +218 na wabo 91 9084 na oni edi ensa wo so say email no so a obetumi edi afa davidpastor378@gmail.com and so yesa ebeka onjumadi nyina na ene asema ene me no ebeka ho asem no atuni din say failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Let me take it once more. Failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time around more intelligently. Enkunimdie anase enkuguo eye akwanya anase eye kwanya eboama osana ohye biribi foforo asibiem. Na mmom akiri a obehya asibiem no ewo nyansa enenimdie kwan so. Enkuguo eye akwanya esanema ohye biribi foforo asibiem. Na saabere no mu no de ohye ase ewo nimdie anase nyansa mu. Se obi yade na enkuguo ba obi yade na se ankoyie se de nka ohwehwe no a na nabamu abu. Na mom I'm telling you today say sa enkuguo na ebaaye no eya kwanya bi a asan abeto hode ama ho say obesan ya hye ade foforo asibiem. Eye akwanya ewo ho ede mawo eya kwanya wanya say obesan ahye ade foforo asibiem. Na mom sese ya wo beye no eye nyansa anim nindie mu efiri se de udi kan sha ase no ebia nema ba ko mienu bi a wo yeye enti ena ema asa nkuguo no ema sa sohwe no ema sa ahwe ase no ema sa akiri san no ema sa akika no eka ho. Na mom sese ya wo be sha ase bie mu sese ya wo be sha de foforo ase bie mu no eye nyansa ni nindie mu efiri se esese usua biribi efiri de wo sha ase ankoyie enti ama oniema ankuduru sedia na esesenka eduru no. Na mom sese ya ankoyie na wanya kwanya sese ya wasan ya sha sese obeye ade foforo bi mu no minim se you do it more intelligently. Ye woni pa bebre wo ho na omo hye biribi ase omo ye biribi na se ankoyie a to start it again no aya na they found it far away. Aya na omuhunu chiri se we kura da benda na me be hyase na maduru mpo kakra me yeduru yi de me ka kire no se eya kwanya na de wo be ye na fufuru biem no de wo be hyase biem no. I hope say you learn a lot from your mistakes. Wasua ade afiri mfomso obinum afiri niema bi a antoto ye enkane no a enam so nti ama niema anko ye ama ono. Minim sese de wasua biribi afiri mu enti sese de a wo beye no wo beye ni nyansa mu wo beye ni nindie mu wo beye ni suahunu mu efiri se de wadi kan aye no pen no wasua biribi afiri mu enti second time e de minim se o ma so a pa na o de ko. So the failure eba wa kwemu no, it is an opportunity se obesanya share asia foforo, obesana beginning something new, obesana a beginning niema afresh na beginning na washa asia no asia obehye se obeye ade foforo no bibi foforo a obefa de asi wani so se obeye no eno enso beboa wo eno nso ena edo eko enkunimdie mu efiri se mfomso na wo ye no wasua biribi afiri mu. So failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. This time more intelligently. If it say enkugo na ma ebia nka wunhunu baby a waduru no kura na wunhunu baby a woto aso ne baby a wode ekuduru na mom nkugo na eba aye no sabre ade foforo a wo be hya ase ade a wo be ye ne sisi ya no eya kwanya kire se wasua biribi nti no sisi de wo be hya ase sisi de wo be ye sisi de a wo de be fa no wahunu biribia ni so dada uhunu se mfiti ase no de fa benkum aha na esese nka wode to aha wanfa nto aha se na nka esese wanye enti de ma odi nkugo ni nyina no minim se wasua biribi minim se wa put things together minim se ama wahunu biribi a this time round no with more intelligent, you put more sense, you put more lesson in it. Adesua bebre na wode be hyemu efiri se ubehunu se enkane no wode to ha enkane no ye ni sei enkane no oye niema bia nanka eni se woye niema bia no na ema ahwiase no na ema nkugu no baaye enti once you've learned something from your mistakes, from your past no, the lesson that you learned from the past condition, the past situation no, saade no ena nei edo be konkunimdie mu na mom se de mrebe me no kan no se wansua biribia mfiri mu a you continue doing the same mistake, you continue the same mistakes and you will never and ever get it. You will never get there because always you don't learn something from your past or your mistakes. So the failure that you failed this time around is an opportunity for you to begin something. It is an opportunity for you to try, for you to establish something new, something different, so that you can be successful, so that you can achieve your success. Sometimes nipa omo ko haw na maniemu no saa ne ma omo famu ni nyina no eye adesua ede ma won na omo sha ade foforo ase a na omo tu anamon foforo a so omo ye ade foforo bia na saa de no agaide won saa de no aboa won ama watumi atu anamon a esese omutu na obi biara only life experience. And sometimes look at things we see on social media, look at things that we come across on this land. Utumi hu se nipa no onisua hunu bia ewa ade na oyenum empo utu no fo a anya ade a ofa ifiri se onim de ekɔ ne de esi ne de ebeto no. But obi a wakɔ saa situation no obi a onim obi a wahunu bi pɛn no saa nipa no ɔyɛ na ade a ayɛ obehu sɛ de ɔtoto ne nneɛma sɛ de ɔde ne nneɛma to no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ampa ɔwɔ life experience. So Bronisi, experience is a good teacher. Obi any experience ɛwɔ life menti asɛm bi afiri na no anoka obi any experience ɛwɔ wiase nti biribia ohunu say it is normal, but sometimes me I don't classify things as normality as people used to classify them, because sometimes there are some situations, there are some problems, there are some cases when it happens people call it normal, but to me I don't see it as a normality. It is normal. Nema ben NAC you can say oh we there a normal. It is normal in a sense that who say ade na asi ade na ekoso ade na happen at that moment no who say any solution be for that and I say it is normal. But oh yeah na ade no who say no, there was a mistake, there was something wrong happened. To me, you know, I don't call it as a normal thing or it's a normality as people used to say. But when there is a pivot, say a turning point to be wo baby, now ube to me a turn on ube to me a yard for me is I don't see it as a normal, I don't see it as it should be. Whereby there is another way around that you can turn, that you can change, that you can perform or you can do another thing. But sometimes you know in life no be to me kwa na edu baby it seems there is no pivot. Na kire say baby eni ho anipa no betumi atene ne ho, baby eni ho anipa no betumi ayade foforo bi. No. Sometimes ade eboa me abrabomu aya eduru baby a metade ya na montuo ni say it is not over until it is over. It will be over when you return back into your grave. Bra wako amanem uwu amenamu no ena abeka say eye over. Bible mayete ase say duampo wani da so say ye twa obesen afefe de a me human being no until say me come nsam enui agu me bono. Me hunu say there is nothing on this planet ye beka say eye normal na say it is over. No. Ebia baby a waduri ebia baby a waben that is the right time ebebo, because difficulties in niema bebre a wo fa mu no ema wo nyanyansasua ema wo hunu niema bi ema wo put things together enti ema next time no anamon bi kura wo ho a wuntu, but obi wo ho hunu bi pen obi wo ho ohunu bi danti no ohunu say oh we dey eye normal, we dey sa na say we dey say ya na say enti no obefa ne say normal. At the end of the day no na obehunu say that particular thing no does not seem to be normality as people used to say. Enti odofo de na me di ja wo nyina na say failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time around more intelligently. Enti enkugo ne de aba wakwa apem de na mom pem na opem ye no I hope say wahunu de saa mistakes ni nyina ba wahunu the causes of that failure. Enti when the opportunity comes, when you have the chance to begin again, I hope say saa mistakes no saa mfomso na we ye no you will not continue those mistakes, but you learned from that. Na de usua firi mu no so no eno na ebeboa wo ama waye enkunindifo unua Achempon David ene ha na medo esi ewo life motivational message and as lessons in life no emu de ekoso eka no se unya and subscribe ya na wa subscribe wo so wa subscribe no odofo wo saka enjumadi se ya na wo so wa share e de ama foforo, because there are many people out there hear such a message so that they can begin something, so that they can start something, so that they can achieve something good in life. But said them no kano wakwapen but unhunu unim what to do again. And you know, na ayese na brabono ako esi. And you obefane so oh it is normal. But I'm telling you today, say it is not normal. Don't accept it. It's a normal. Tambia me kase obi ekase enye ya jitumu naka ana hunu se nipa kono mum ena ontumi nyenti ena osi enye ye. By you no jitumu se wonde obi ase enye ye, but you there ubetumi aye ama aye ye. By so doing no, my dear listener, ubetumi aye na obeye abroso nipa ni beba won ho so no na watwam na watra baabi a nipa inspector awrade nhira wo awrade nka ho se eneda so waka ye ho na wahwe ndwumadie na odebema afoforo nso koso ana subscribe na share uwie a fa comment no bra na awrade ebehira wo esi ha ehia wo nyina. God bless you all. Bye bye.